Hi, this is Brandon with GEP340. The first thing I'm going to want to show you really quick is I'm going to show you Unity, my stuff in Unity. So if I go to my testing real quick, go over here to my little fireball I have. As you can see, god damn it. So as you can see, as the fireball moves through the air, it leaves a trail. If you if you click particle system, you'll notice that it does have like a fireball effect on it, like sort of fiery effect on it. And that is my particle system. Oops, wrong button. Alright, so if we now come down over here and I go ahead and look at my lighting settings over here, I currently have a directional light and a skybox that's providing my lighting, and they are baked in for static objects. My player and enemies are not static, but a lot of this other stuff is for the setting, for the shadows and stuff. So you can see here, I kind of got it a little bit too intense right here. Like, I think like the sun's like pointing right there. Anyway, I have messed around with the lighting system and I've been effective and working with that. The next thing I wanted to show you was the audio, which I'm going to have to play my thing. I will warn you, it's probably going to be a little loud at first. So if you will give me just a second. So hopefully you can hear me now, but as you saw the sound, there is sound in the game. This is the music, this is the master, and this one controls the sound. When I hit apply, it saves those settings, and here I have the resolution and the quality settings and all of that stuff right here. If I go back here, we have a quit menu that quits you out of the game. I'll show you that in a minute. Here I have the credits menu, and then if you play it, as I pick up my weapon, you'll immediately notice that there is a sound that plays. As I continue to fight the enemy, eventually my win condition will come up. I could have made this a little faster by having it spawn one enemy at a time. There we go. So, there's my win condition. And as you saw, I have sound and everything like that. If we go to quit, it closes out. It does it also in the build as well. I'm going to go ahead and show you the code for all of that. In the main menu, you have play game. It just loads the next scene. And here, under the quit, it will quit out of the application, but here it will quit out of the, I have it set up to where it will, if we're in the Unity editor, it will also close out. And here's the settings. Okay, on awake. For the resolution, what it does is it clears out the old list, creates a new list, and uses a for loop to create a list of screen resolutions. And then here's the quality stuff also. It does the same thing, it clears it out and then it creates a list based on the Unity quality settings. And then in here on enable, when you open up the menu, it'll load all of your pre-saved settings for the music, the sound, and all that stuff. It'll load all of that, and when you hit apply, it will actually save everything. The first part, it saves everything to its player preferences, and then it adjusts your volume settings based on what you have it set as. And then if I go over to my game manager has my win and lose condition, and is based on how many lives I have left or how many enemies there are I have killed. On pause menu, when I hit the escape button, it brings up the pause menu and it adjusts time scale and all that kind of stuff. And I do believe that is everything. I will have everything up shortly. Thank you. Bye.